If your nails keep breaking instead of growing long and feminine like you want, then taking more vitamins won't fix this. Instead, real nail growth comes from these 10 secrets that most women don't know about. And once you uncover them, you'll finally be able to grow the feminine, natural nails you've always wanted, just like over 100 of my clients. And the first thing you must do to get results like these is to stop your nails from splitting with secret number one, which is don't use a regular nail file, but switch to the specific type of glass nail file. Back in my early days of nail care, one issue that I would constantly run into was that my nails would always split after I filed them. And the reason why this kept happening was that I was using a regular nail file, which was way too rough for my natural nails. It would constantly cause my nails to jag and split. So that is why I recommend that you make the switch to a high quality Czech glass nail file. Because unlike those cheap glass nail files you find all over the internet, the high quality Czech glass nail file only requires light pressure to file and leaves your nails with a smooth, clean finish. All you do is file in one direction for best results. Now, if you want your nails to stop peeling, you must do secret number two, which is don't file away peels, repair them. Back in 2020, I would get these really bad peels on my nails. So what I used to do was take a buffing block and file away the peels. They would look better at first, but then they would come right back and I would buff away again until my nails became so thin they broke even more. So instead of filing away your peels, I recommend repairing them with the OPI repair mode. This is a serum that absorbs into your nails and acts like an invisible glue to hold your current nail peels in place so they don't get worse and turn into tears. All you do is apply it to your nails twice a day for 6 days and just look at the difference it makes in your nails. Now, if you don't want to go backwards in your nail journey, you want to do secret number 3, which is don't apply gel to weak nails. I had a client who was making amazing progress on her nail journey. She only had a little bit of weakness left on her nails. But because she was craving a gel manicure, she couldn't resist the urge and decided to apply gel on her nails. And once she removed the gel, her nails were 10 times worse. And here is why. Imagine for a second that your weak nails was like this peeling piece of paper. And when you apply gel to your nails, it's like applying heavy duty tape to this piece of paper. Sure, it looks shiny and smooth at first, but once you remove the tape, the peeling gets even worse. And the same exact thing happens to your nails when you apply gel to weak nails. The gel sticks to the existing weakness and only makes it weaker once you remove the gel. So I recommend not applying any gel polish to your nails until they're healthy and strong. Now, in order to get your nails healthy and strong, you want to do secret number 4, which is moisturize your nails daily. So a couple of weeks ago, I was at a pop-up shop and a woman came to my booth and told me her nails were constantly breaking. So I started asking her what product she was currently using on her nails, and she told me nothing, which is completely normal because no one teaches you how to care for your nails. But the truth is, just like plants need water every single day to thrive, your nails need nail oil at least once a day to grow. And without it, your nails are on the same exact track as this plant not being watered. And if you want my limited edition nail growth oil kit, then check the link in the description before it's gone. Now, in order to keep your nails strong, you must do secret number 5, which is don't clean without gloves, and here's how to make it super easy. So I had a client whose nails would constantly peel because she always forgot to wear gloves while cleaning. So here is a simple hack I made for her so she wouldn't forget to use them. I recommend that you put gloves everywhere where you clean. Your sink, your cleaning bucket, your bathroom. That way, the minute you grab the sponge, you see the gloves and you don't forget to use them. Now, in order to make sure your nails don't become thin, you must do secret number 6, which is don't remove your gel with an electric file, but hand file it off. I know there are a ton of videos on social media that make removing your gel with these tools look effortless, but it is not. Electric files are professional tools that require proper training, and if you don't have this training, it's very easy to file way too deeply and thin out your nails. And if you do this, you will end up with nails that are thin, red, and sensitive. And this is by far the number one type of damage I see in my clients' nails. So instead of using an electric file, I recommend that you take a boomerang file and file off the top layer of gel and then soak off the color with 100% acetone. This takes a little longer, but will prevent this type of damage. Moving on to secret number 7, don't cut tears, mend them. The story of my life used to be grow my nails long, get a side break, and have to cut them down completely, and start all over in my nail journey. But that all changed when I discovered this nail repair kit. What it does is that it fixes side breaks so you can hold on to your nails. And here is how you use it. So you start off by putting a little glue on the tear, then you sprinkle on a little powder, being careful not to get it on your skin. And once the patch dries, you go and file to smooth it, being careful not to scratch your nails. And your nail is fixed. Now, in order to make sure your nails don't break again, you must do secret number 8, which is don't use your nails as tools. And here is how to make it easy. You see, one of the worst nail breaks I've ever had in my entire life was when I tried opening a box with my nails. My hand slipped, hit the table, and my nails cracked at the root. That was a day I promised I would never use my nails again as tools, and here is what I did to make this change. I recommend that you put scissors in drawers around your house. That way, the minute you get a package, the scissors are very easy to access and you're not tempted to use your nails to open things. But no matter how long your nails are, if you don't do secret number 9, which is remove your hangnails, it will completely take away from your feminine nail look. And if you don't believe me, here is a photo of my nails with a really bad hangnail. As you can see, it is very, very distracting. So here is what I recommend doing to safely remove these hangnails. Once the hangnail is popped out, then you're going to go in with a little nipper and nip away this dead skin. And once you nip it, you're going to follow up with some nail oil just to help prevent future hangnails. Now your hangnail is removed, but if your nails are dirty, that will also take away from your feminine nail look. So you want to make sure you do secret number 10, which is don't brush your nails too clean, but use this gentler method. You see, if you brush your nails too clean like you see in all the other videos, what you're going to do is actually cause micro tears in your nail that will eventually cause breakage. So instead, you want to get a wooden stick like this, and when you're washing your hands, use it to gently remove the dirt underneath your nails. Now, these 10 secrets will grow your nails, but you want to make sure you avoid these 10 mistakes in the video here that will break your nails.